AH-2 Rooivalk, South African attack helicopter. Advanced military-grade analysis and strategic doctrine. Introduction. The Denel AH-2 Rooivalk, meaning Red Falcon in Afrikaans, is South Africa's first and only domestically developed attack helicopter, designed by Denel Aeronautics, formerly Atlas Aircraft Corporation. Built during the final decades of the Cold War and refined in the 1990s, the Rooivalk was crafted to operate in the harsh African battlespace, where terrain, distance, and infrastructure challenge conventional Western platforms. Though built in small numbers, the Rooivalk integrates heavy firepower, survivability, and all-weather precision targeting, making it a highly capable asset for armed reconnaissance, anti-armor, and close air support missions, with a strong emphasis on autonomy and maintenance in austere environments. Technical specifications. Designation: Denel AH-2 Rooivalk. Type: tandem seat, twin-engine attack helicopter. Manufacturer: Denel Aviation, South Africa. Crew: 2, pilot plus weapon systems officer. Length: 18.73 meters. Rotor diameter: 15.58 meters. Height: 5.19 meters. Max takeoff weight: -8 750 kg. Empty weight: -5 730 kg. Engines: 2 times Turbomeca Makila 1K2 turbofans. Power output: -1 877 shp each. Maximum speed: 278 km per hour, 150 knots. Range: 740 km. Combat radius: 400 km. Service ceiling: 6,000 m. Endurance: 3.5 to 4 hours, mission profile dependent. Avionics and fire control. Target acquisition and designation site: TDS. Roof-mounted stabilized electro-optical sight with day TV, FLIR, and laser rangefinder designator. Helmet-mounted display, HMD. Allows queuing and control of weapons through pilot's line of sight. Fire control system, FCS. Fully digital ballistic computation. Integrated with navigation, mission, and weapons systems management. Countermeasures suite. Radar warning receiver, RWR. Missile approach warning system, MAWS. Chaff flare dispensers. IR suppressors for engine exhaust. Armament. Primary gun armament. 1x20mm f2 dual-feed cannon, nose-mounted, chin turret. 700 to 750 rounds on board. Effective range: 2,000 meters. Traverse: plus or minus 90 degrees, elevation: plus 28 degrees to minus 60 degrees. Missiles: modular armament wings. Air to ground: up to 16 times Denel Makopa ATGMs. Range: 10 kilometers. Tandem heat warhead for armored targets. Legacy compatibility with ZT-6 Makopa, Ingwe, and TOW variants. Air-to-air: up to 4 times MBDA Mistral or Denel V3C Data IRAAMs. Point defense against enemy helicopters or low-flying drones. Rockets: 70mm, 2.75-inch, unguided rocket pods. Heat, fragmentation, or smoke types. Typically 2 pods per mission, 2x19 or 2x12 tubes. Combat role and tactical applications. Primary roles: close air support, CES. Anti-armor warfare. Armed reconnaissance. Escort for utility helicopters. Air interdiction and ambush. Secondary capabilities: search and rescue, SAR, escort. Convoy overwatch. Urban combat and border patrol. Rooivalk excels in low-intensity conflicts, counterinsurgency, COIN, and semi-conventional warfare where mobility, surprise, and ruggedness are essential. Operational history. Operator: South African Air Force, SAAF, 16 Squadron, based in Bloemfontein. Combat deployment. Rooivalk was successfully deployed with MONUSCO, UN mission, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Provided precision close air support and anti-M23 rebel strikes, proving reliability, accuracy, and lethality in tropical, high humidity, and mountainous environments. Key strengths and strategic features. Designed for harsh conditions. Optimized for African terrain, minimal logistical support, and extreme environmental conditions. Maintenance-friendly systems enable long-term operation without forward depot support. Long-range and heavily armed. Longer range than most AH-64 or Mi-28 in basic configuration. Equipped with long-range Makopa missiles rivaling Western Hellfires. Combat-proven precision. Demonstrated success in real-world UN operations. Known for stable gun platform and accurate ATGM strikes. Survivability and protection. Ballistic-resistant crew compartments, redundant flight systems, and comprehensive ECM suite. Limitations. Production halted, only 12 units in active service. Export attempts unsuccessful, partly due to budget constraints, geopolitics, and market saturation. Lack of onboard radar, e.g., longbow-style fire control radar, limits target acquisition in heavy ECM or bad weather. Avionics upgrades needed to match modern 5th-gen helicopters, as of mid-2020s. The Rooivalk is competitive in lethality, survivability, and reliability, though limited fleet size and missing sensor integration hold it back from Tier 1 peer status. Strategic value. National sovereignty asset. Rooivalk stands as a symbol of South African aerospace innovation, independent defense capability, and post-apartheid technological resurgence. Peacekeeping force multiplier. Proven effectiveness in African Union and UN-led operations, offering precision fire support without external dependency. Platform for indigenous weapons integration. Supports locally produced Makopa and Data missiles, reinforcing South Africa's defense industry. Conclusion. The AH-2 Rooivalk is a formidable, rugged, and combat-capable attack helicopter, uniquely tailored for African and expeditionary warfare environments. Though limited in production and export reach, its lethality, precision, and operational maturity make it a valuable strategic asset within its operational context. With the right avionics modernization and strategic partnerships, Rooivalk could continue to serve as a reliable backbone for South Africa's rotary wing firepower and a platform of symbolic national pride in aerospace self-reliance.